Good morning, ma'am. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And what about you?
I am also fine.
I was observing while I have been calling you at night that your voice is quite familiar to English with Jadoo. Your spoken style is quite
I
familiar.
don't know. I don't know why, but I am just trying because I am a village person and always I am trying to speak loudly so that I can get energy from the inside heart. So that's why I am telling to just so that you are just feeling like Jadoo.
Yes, because I have two or three conversations with him, and when I was having a call from you, and I just was recalling that what is the similarity with this person and with that person, and then I came to know that okay, your voice is just similar to that.
Okay, okay. Because that boy is studying in ninth class and he is also belong to the village area and I am also belong to the village area and maybe my speaking style may be similar to that boy. So that's you are feeling like Jadoo. But
Okay, now
I have never talked with the Jadoo.
okay, I really want to have an introduction of yours.
Okay, of course. I would like to introduce myself in front of you. Listen carefully, my dear sister from Pakistan. So, this is Rajiv Kumar in front of you, and I am connecting from India. And my state name is Bihar. You know very well Bihar states. And I am a farmer, and I am also a tuition teacher. I teach mathematics and science of class 9th and 10th of my village. Okay, but my main occupation is farming. This is my short introduction.
Okay, and this is really fantastic here that you belong to a farm or you belong to a village and still you are inspiring and you are teaching to 9th and 10th student. So I want to know that how did you learn this language, English language?
Yes, yes, because 1 month before I was truly saying that 1 month before, 1 years before, I was not speaking. I was thinking that I will speak, but I never thought that I will speak English like this in the future time. But when I talk about last years I was not talking because I did not have any sources of electronic media just like Facebook, and I was having keypad mobile, but I was not having just like Android mobile. So I bought Android mobile, but last year I used to scroll reels and used to watch videos. But when I saw one video, conversation video available in the YouTube channel. So on that day, I felt that I should learn English. So on that day, I started speaking. But it was the month of Durga Puja, 10 days before the Durga Puja last year in 2024, I started. And I joined the Skype app. And after that, I have been continuously speaking with different kind of person, just like you and just like other men. And I have got energy and data information from someone mind, just like you. After conversation, I'm making conversation with different kind of person. And I have learned a lot of things, and now I am 10% comfortable, but not 100% comfortable. I can say that, but I am 10% comfortable. I can face anybody, just like you and just like other person.
Okay, that is really fantastic and I want to know that which technique have you adopted to learn this language?
Yes, yes. I just started from the starting time. I just made technique to loud speaking, and after that, I will never feel shy, and I will never hesitate, and I will never fear. So that technique I have made plan. That either I will speak wrong and right things, no problem, and no fear. Okay, I don't care whether my mouth will say right thing or wrong thing. I will always give permission to my mouth to go ahead and go ahead and go ahead. Okay, either it will be wrong and right thing, no problem.
Okay, you allowed yourself to make mistakes. Now I want to say a thing that how your environment help you to learn English language.
Because in my village, nobody is ready to speak English, because in village area I only wanted to speak English. But if I want to speak English with some person, but they are not ready to speak English with me. and environment is not available, but some student are also available who is belong to the village area, who is English medium student, but they are still not speaking English. And if I am just saying that boy to come with me and talk in English, and your English will be also will improve, and my English will be also improve, because starting from the childhood up to the class 12 I was in Hindi medium. So I really wanted to talk in English with that English boy, but nobody was ready to speak with me. But I made a plan that I joined the Skype app, and Skype app is my friend and my family member. So Skype app taught me a lot. I am truly lover of Skype app. And from the Skype app, I have learned. I have never joined other app, and I accept Skype, and I Skype very much.
Okay, because Skype gives you the opportunity to have connection, to have conversations with as many subscribers or with as many conversational trainers as you can. Because there are other co-learners who are ambitious to learn, but their environment doesn't allow them to learn English language. Now, if we just play a role play, if I just want to say that, how can you describe your environment around you? Take any object and elaborate. How would you say?
Okay. But I can make you understand by every things, because you can see that where I am standing and I am barking. This is the boundary of between two lands, and this boundary is called. I can just turn over the back camera. This is called Linhe. Linhe, Linhay. This is called Linhe in Hindi made. This is called made, and this is the boundary between two lands, and this is called. You can also called edge of the lands, and you can say it boundary between two lands, and it is one words meaning Linhe. It is called Linhe. You can call it Linhe. I am walking on the Linhe between two lands. Okay, this one is the left side land, and this one is the right side hand. Okay, and right side land also have been planted weeds, and left side hand also have been planted weeds. Okay, so this is weeds. This is my land, and my father planted these weeds, and this weeds is just like 50-inch long. Okay, this width is 50-inch long, and this is called a wheat plant, and this is I am just tearing out, and I have completed teared, and this is called wheat air and wheat airing. Okay, so this is not get ready this time, but after 1 month from now it will get ready, and it will reap, and I will harvest this. And this is 50-inch of the wheat plants, and I have teared out from the land. So I will also describe the mango tree, but my mango tree is just 200 meters away from me, and I am just reaching, and I am just going to that mango tree, and I will describe all the parts of the mango tree. So this is my all day, and I am just you can see that this is gram. This
Okay.
is gram tree. Gram. Okay. This is gram. You can see gram. Chana. Okay.
Yes.
I am just tearing. I am just plucking this gram, and you can see that I have plucked this gram, but this is not get ready. This is unripe material, raw material. You can say it. This is this is not unripe, and this is called raw material. But after 1 month from now, after 10 days from now, it will get ready and it will dry. Then I will harvest also. I will just
Okay.
peel out. Okay, I am just peel out this skin of the gram.
Okay.
Okay.
How many crops have you grown on your field?
Yes. Because in my field, so all land is together. Okay, but some of the land is not together. I have just peel out. You can see that I have peeled out gram, peeled out the gram. You can see this is the grain. This is the grain of the. This is the grain of the gram. But this is just like not ready. It is just green, unripe material, raw material you can call it. But after 10 days from now, it will get ready. So
Yes, and it is also cooked. So fantastically, you are
yes, yes,
describing
it
the.
is also cooked. It is also cooked. It is also tasty than the dry. Because
Yes,
I just pluck and I will eat. So sometimes I eat that gram of unripe material.
yes. And how
So
many crops grown on your
yes,
fields apart
yes,
from wheat and
yes, I am also growing different kind of vegetable, just like ladyfinger, brinjal, potato, tomato, onion, and bell pepper, just like capsicum. Capsicum is also called bell pepper, and uh, and different kind of vegetable I am producing, but which is very close to my home. On that land, over that land, I am producing, I am just cultivating different kind of vegetable. But the land which is very far from, which is very far from my home, over and on that land, I am producing just like grand wheats and paddy. I am producing because if I will produce different kind of vegetable on the further land, so other villagers they will come in the night and they will come on the day broad light and they will keep our our vegetables. So I am not producing vegetable on the furthermost part of the land, which is very far
okay.
from my home.
This is the logic behind growing the vegetables near to your house.
Yes, yes, yes. Which is very close and which is very adjoining area and which is very close to my home. Over that places, over that land, on that land, I am producing the different kind of vegetables so that I can look after very easily, so that I can come out from the home and I can watch whether the person and uh, whether the wild animal is not available. Because this I am standing, this is the further past of the my village, and over on that land I am producing wheats. You can see that this is also my land, but this is very far from my home, just 1 kilometer far and 1 kilometer away from my home. And on this land I am producing and I am just cultivating wheats, because this land is very far from my home. So because sometimes 5 days and 10 days later I am coming here for taking care of them. But every day it is not possible for my father and for me to come here to look after. And weekly I am just visiting these places for checking out whether the butter is not available, whether the crops is not get ready or get ready, how many days and how many months will take time for get ready, and when they will dry, and other uh, what water is not necessary or not, and any animal is not available in not or not. So that is happening because if I will not check here, so this is, you can see that this is not mine, but one land is mine, but this is in other village. So it is very very difficult for me to check out and for me to look after this large distance area, which is very far from my home.
And this is quite interesting and this is quite intelligent approach and you are a diligent farmer. And I have seen that on the far from your houses and you have the lands. And according to the all farmers point of view, the farmers have tendency to just have the wheat and other paddy crops far from their lands, and this is the one of the reason that they don't have to watch and they don't have to guard all the times. And this is their whenever they have the leisure time, whenever they have their relaxational time, then they can visit their lands and they can see the type of crop and the need of giving them water or not.
Okay, okay. Because I have just visited this land 10 years before, but now I have visited today because it is not possible for my parents and my family members to visit my land every day because it is very far from my home, 1 kilometer away, far from my home. This is not possible for me.
Okay. And have you reached your mango tree or not?
Yes, yes. I have just reached my mango tree, and you can say that it is just 20 meters. I am away from the mango tree.
Okay. Now, what is the condition of mango tree, and what do you expect? When did you have your mangoes?
Yes, after 1 month, 1 month from now, it will get ready and it will give a small size. And after that, after 4 months from now, it will get ready and they will ripe.
Okay. And now, what do you think unripe? What is the difference between unripe mangoes and the ripe mangoes?
Yes, yes.
Because
Unripe mangoes is yes, yes. Unripe mangoes is which is not finished, and you can say raw material. But ripe mango is one which is just finished product, and they have completed. And yes, yes. So there is difference
unripe
between two.
used to have pickle.
Yes, yes. Unripe used to make pickles, but ripe cannot be make pickles.
Yes.
And ripe, unripe. If you will eat unripe mango, so on that time you will feel sore. And if you will eat the ripe mango, so will feel uh, sweet.
Yes, this is the one of the major reason.
Yeah, yeah. I have reached the mango trees. You can see behind me. I am standing near the mango trees, and 10 days before I have described about these mango trees, and I have told about the every parts of the mango tree.
Yes. Now you are visible again.
Okay, okay. So I was not visible.
Yes. Okay, I can see the mango tree now. Can you please elaborate and how you can speak English with your mango tree? I want to just watch and see that if whether environment is supporting you or not. You have to create your environment, and you can take the support of the objects around you, and you have quite well, you have elaborated all the things around your path and on the way, and this was quite marvelous. And now you are going to describe the mango tree and the parts of mango tree and how they are appealing to you. So this is the fantastic way to learn English language.
Yeah, yeah, because I have just described in physically. Because if I am explaining all the things physically, so I am understanding more than. Because I will tatter or I will do other things. So if I will cram, if I will cram the all part of the mango tree, so it will be not possible for me, and it will be not possible for other person to remember. So so cramming all the things, all the words cannot be remembered by someone. It is not possible for everyone. So I am not cramming the words. I am just trying to explain physically so that I can store in my mind that words, and so that I can remember all the words which is the parts of the available.
Okay. Now we are forward to have your explanation of mango tree and different parts of mango tree.
Okay, okay, okay. I am just trying to explain the mango trees, and it is you can see that it is a small size of the mango trees, and I am going to explain the mango trees. So I am just standing under the mango trees, and this is the part you can see that I am just turning back camera so that I can explain wholly. Okay, okay. So I have turned my camera. So I am going to show you my from back camera. You can see this is the mango tree, and it is a small size. And this mango tree is planted. Uh, planted in my lands. So I am just reaching down to my mango tree and I will explain all the parts of the mango tree. So you can see that this is the flower of mango trees, and you cannot say this flower flower, but you can say it is other name, scientific name. It is called Mangifera okara or Mangifera indica, Mangifera. So you can remember these words just like mango. Mango, everybody knows mango, mango. But these words is difficult to remember. So I have just make a technique to remember Mangifera, mango, mangi,
Maggie.
mango,
Okay.
mangi, mango, mangi, 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 FERR, mangi, fera, indica, इंडिया से इंडिका, INDICA, इंडिका, इंडिया से इंडिका, मैंगो से मैंगी फेरा, मैंगो, मैंगो, मैंगो से मैंगी, MANGI, मैंगी फेरा, इंडिया से इंडिका. So like this, I have remembered many things by using that technique. This is the topmost part of the tree. This is the topmost part of the tree, and you can see that this is the top part of the tree, and this is called flower, and this flower is called Mangifera indica. And you can see that a small mangoes is coming out. A small mangoes is coming out, but I am not sure. Yes, you can see a small mango.
Okay.
A small mango. You are watching or not? A small mango.
Yes, these are small in size.
Yes, yes. And you can see I have just standing on the near of the tree, and this is the stem. Okay, this is called a stem or trunk. This part is called a stem or trunk. From here, starting from here, starting from here up to the ground, up to the ground. This is called a stem or trunk. This is called a stem or trunk. You can see it. Okay. So starting from this part up to the ground part is called a stem. Starting from ground up to the here it is called a stem. But if I talk about if I will go to the further, so this is not a stem. This is not a stem. This is the branches of the tree. Okay. So this is the other branches. This is called branches of the tree. This is also called branches of the tree. This is called also branches of the tree. And this is called branches of the tree. If I will go to the further, so this is called twig. This is called twig. This is not branch. Okay. So this is not branch. This is not a stem. Okay. Further, if I will go further, and these branches have been divided into three parts. So it is called twig. TWIG, twig. This is called twig. So, so if I talk about this part, so this is the leaf. This is the leaf or leaf of the tree. Okay. So this is the leaf and leaf of the tree. So you can also see this is the leaf or leaf of the tree. This is the leaf and leaf of the tree. Okay. So like this, and there are many parts just like roots of the tree. So if I will dig out this part, no, if I will remove this soil from here, so on that time, no, I will see the root, because it is not possible, because in my hand there is no spade, so it is not possible for me to dig out here. So if I will remove this soil, no, so you will see that roots, and roots is available underground of the soil. So it is not possible for me, and you can say that this part is also a stem. But if I will देखो, this is छाल. हिंदी में इसको छाल बोलते हैं, but this is called bark, BARK, bark. This is called bark, छाल, bark, bark. So okay. This is the skin. You can also use skin. This is the skin of the body of the tree, but skin cannot be used. But this is a special name. One name is bark, BARK. So bark. You can. you can use bark as a skin of the tree. So like this, I am just like this, I am just increasing the vocabulary, and every day I am learning.
Very good, and very intentionally you have elaborated very fantastically. And in fact, I think that this digital era has completely revolutionized the way of teaching, because with the help of this Android phone, with the help of this internet, we can come across to anything and we can learn and we can just enrich our brain with so many difficult and different vocabularies.
Yes, you can see, ma'am, my dear sister from Pakistan. You can see this is the crown. Okay, this whole part is called crown. Crown. Okay, मुकुट मुकुट राजाओं का जो मुकुट होता था ना, उसी तरह लग रहा है.
Yes,
From here,
crown.
yeah, crown, CROWN. This whole part is starting from branches, flower, and leaf is called a crown. This is the crown part. But a stem is not called a stem is not a stem, and trunk and roots is not part of the crown. But the crown is one who looks like just like king of crown of the king. So it is like a crown. So that is name is crown. And a stem is not part of the crown of the tree, but in the crown parts, 4 parts is available: leaf, flower, and leaves, and branches, and twig. All 4 part is coming under the crown of the tree.
Okay, very informative, very fantastic conversation I have with you. And I am so grateful for you that how you are describing the things. Because if we say that we don't have any object to describe, in fact, you are describing your feeling, you are describing the parts of the objects. In this way, you are widening your knowledge.
Yes. I have explained. No, so I will never forget in my life. Up to the end of my life, before dying, I will never forget, because I have seen after joining this app. I am explaining, and I am just learning from you all mouth, and I have learned English by you all YouTuber and you all a Skype person. I am truly saying.
Because it's a two-way process. When we are having conversation, in fact, we are learning some words or some things which we don't know.
Yes. Because I am explaining, so I am not cramming. Okay, I am not mugging up the words. Words is just also storing automatically in my mind.
Yes, and this is the natural way, and this is a spontaneous way to speak English, and this is the level everyone wants to achieve. Because if the words are coming out automatically and naturally, then you can say that you are on the right track.
Yes. But it is happening also, because I am seeing that last year I was not able to speak English, but now this years I am also able to speak English with someone and with any person. But I can face with any person.
Okay, your hesitation, your all kinds of anxiety and fear have been removed by because you have pushed yourself to face the audience, to face the strangers.
Yes. I have faced more than 100 people, so that I don't have fear. I have hesitation, but after 4 months and after 5 months, after 1 years, I think that I will be better. But this time, 5% I am better. I can think that.
Now you are improving, and because sometimes we have hesitation, sometimes we have some nervousness in our heart, but we can overcome with our body language, with our gestures and expressions.
Yes.
So I should wind up the session, and I am looking forward to many more sessions where we will have a fruitful conversation with you.
Okay. Thank you, my dear sister from Pakistan. You have given me opportunity to talking with you, and in future time, I will also love to talk to you.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day to you.